Welcome back to the channel. In the last couple episodes, we've been building this car. We've been getting this ETS turbo kit and everything put on. So today we're just enjoying it again a little bit. I just went out and got some coffee in the morning. If any of you guys are wondering what I get at Dunkin', I do get the iced Americano, I get a little bit of milk, and some French vanilla. It definitely wakes you up. The extra espresso with the Americano, it's great, can't go wrong. We're just gonna cruise back to the garage. I did get one thing from Harbor Freight over Christmas, so I wanted to go home and unbox it and assemble it with you guys. So let's head back. Alright, so we made it home and everything. Right behind me is the box that I got from Harbor Freight. It's definitely a tool I don't need right now, but it's definitely good luck that I purchased it now. So without further ado, let's go. Alright, what I purchased over here was a Pittsburgh 1-ton foldable shop crane. So in case our engine ever decides to go out, we are going to have the tools to be able to take it out. So I'm not trying to push the limit or anything yet with this turbo kit, as it could be very easily overpower the engine, and we could easily break this engine with the parts that are on this car. So we're definitely pretty conservative with all of our with our tune and our numbers and everything. But once we have every single tool and part we need to get this engine out, maybe in the summertime, you never know, maybe we will be taking the engine out. But today we're going to be unboxing the shop crane and assembling it. I've never purchased one of these before, so I just wanted to document this for our journey with this car. So let me get you guys set up. We'll get this unboxed and we'll get it assembled. Let's go. Alright, so we got everything unpackaged. This is everything that came in. I got it all lined out. So we got the wheels, the cylinder, and then these big bars and everything. This is our bolts and everything. Obviously it came with some instructions, so I'm just going to read over those real quick, and then we're just going to get this assembled and we'll find a spot in the garage. But let's get going. Alright, so we just got everything assembled. A little bit more complicated than I expected, but I feel like they expect if you're able to pull an engine, you can assemble an engine crane. So we're already assembling everything here. The legs do fold up, so it does get pretty compact. So I got some bungee cords I'm just going to hook up so we can get it all tied up. I'm going to clean up this space over here and we're just going to slide it back in. Alright, so she's all packaged up. She's back in her spot. So this is where she's going. So with it folded up, it's actually pretty compact. So I really like that it's movable, so I can just pull this thing out and it just wheels right out. It's actually a lot smaller than I thought, which is great. But that's all I got for you guys on this one. Just a couple driving clips and got our engine crane assembled. Hopefully that gives us good luck with our ETS turbo kit on. Just knowing that we have the crane does give me just peace of mind, so if something does happen, we can just pull it ourselves, fix whatever needs to get fixed, and put it back in. That's all I got for you guys this week. Until next time, see ya.